different sawtooth angles. You know you have the rack angle, right? You have the sharpness angle, and you have the clearance angle. Okay, you have these three angles, right? In saw blades or sawtooth or saw blades, you have a lot of angles. This is the rack. This is the sharpness. This is the clearance. You can notice that. So this is the rack, okay? Sawtooth A, B, C, and D. You can notice that rack angle for D is very less compared to A, B, and C. You notice it? Okay. Right. Whereas clearance angle, very less. It's a lot. Less. And that's a lot. Okay. Basically, clearance is so that you don't brush on your workpiece when you are sewing. The more clearance angle you have, okay, the better clearance it will be when you are sewing, right? You have clearance when you are sewing, right? So what if you have a very less sharpness angle, or you have a very big sharpness angle, even bigger sharpness angle? What does it mean? Smaller sharpness angle, if you have, it tends to break off, okay? It tends to chip off when you are sewing, okay? Because it's very small in angle, okay? Whereas bigger sharpness angle, your sawtooth you can sustain, okay? You can cut more with this. Smaller one you cannot, okay? Rack angle, you have big rack angle, you can bite on your workpiece better, okay? Okay, so different sawtooth, yeah, different angles. You can have high rack, low rack. You can have high sharpness. You can have low sharpness. You can have high clearance. This one and this one. And you have a very low clearance where you tend to hit on your sawn timber when you are sewing. Right? Different sewing patterns, cuts differently.